Hey there, everybody. It is Melanie Ferguson, live on a highway, and I'm with Southern Crush at Home, and I hope to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. And tonight I thought I would hop on and do part 2 of my 2-part project. This is the second half of painting my pool chest outside. So I have a little more daylight, as you can see, than I did yesterday. I had the camera flipped around because I wanted to show you the prize. And anyway, so there's still a little bit of sunlight in the background. It's actually pretty bright, so y'all probably can't see. But yeah, we have the pool going. My dog's in the way. I don't know if you can hear it all. I'm in the way. Thank you, Penny. There's a float over there in the way. But yeah, so for those of you who do not have sunsets like this, I thought I would share. All right, so this month of October, I'm doing a little tote for everyone who wins one of the sprinkling contests for every video in October. So I gave away 2 today from the 2 videos yesterday. I have the video from this morning. We don't have a winner yet from that. It's still circulating. It was the one on Tuesday morning where I went to Tuesday morning. I thought that was kind of clever. And then tonight's video too. So tonight's video will have a winner as well. This is the prize. It says One Cool Mummy. These are just fun little Halloween bags. They are just meant to be fun. They have, they're actually really good quality. They have a flat bottom, so you can put all sorts of stuff in it. So it's not one of the absolute, you know, complete cheapo things. It's a great for notebooks or groceries or trick-or-treating. I would take it trick-or-treating. Hey, Patty, Donna, Carol, thank you so much. So here is the cute tote that I am giving away. All right, thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Christina. I appreciate you guys. Listen, we're gonna finish painting this pool chest. Since there's more daylight, I think you're gonna be able to see what this looks like. And so I had the dilemma of, let me grab it, the buffalo check. So I debated on the buffalo check. This is my stencil. It's been used. That's why it's got paint all over it. But this was the buffalo check stencil, or the baker's, it's the grain sack, okay? So neither one of those ended up being an option. So I was gonna do the Harlequin. So I taped this booger like 3 times and I never could get it right. Y'all, that's a science, an art, amazingly difficult to do. So I went with this really, I think it's cute, tile look for the top. And I went with this navy chalk paste so that it would sort of blend with my pool furniture. I don't know if you can see it back there, but it's got a blue stripe. Each piece has a blue stripe. And so this is where I'm at. Let me bend it down so you can see. I am on the 3rd one. Let me tell you why I cheated and went ahead and did these 2. Because the stencil has to dry a little bit and be washed and dried in between each one for it to work. But this is from a maker studio, and I will link it above so you guys can see. But I'm just going to spread the chalk paste on while we chat and get this last one done. So it's taking a lot more of the chalk paste than I anticipated. Oh, thank you, Carol. Thank you. I think it's going to turn out really, really cute. So I debated whether or not I thought I should go and finish up here and around it. And y'all, ain't nobody got time for that. I just think it's going to take way too much work to get that part done too. So I am just skipping that, and I'm going with the pattern the way it is, just right down the middle, almost like a stripe. So I'm just applying this, y'all. If you haven't done one of the mesh stencils, you've got to try it. They're super easy, super fun. nothing to it. I mean, you do not have to know how to paint. You don't have to know how to make the design. It's all done for you. And most of the companies have really cute choices to choose from. Oh, thank you, Sally. Thank you, Donna. Hey, Tammy. All right, so I am halfway done with this. Don't forget, I don't have my little block to tell y'all what to do, but I think y'all know. Oh, thank you, Teresa. Appreciate it. It is just a gorgeous evening. I do still have mosquitoes out here. I've been battling them all afternoon doing these other 2 tiles. But I think I won because I'm still here. I think I won. They didn't carry me off, not yet. So this is a huge piece, y'all. The key is just to try to keep it all on the stencil. Okay, so I got a few other things at the Tuesday morning this morning. So I've got projects for all week, y'all, all week. Thank you, Angie, I appreciate it. Let me know if you have a pool in the comments. I know last night someone said they had this exact pool chest. And I will tell you that the chest top turned out wonderful. I mean, that chalk paint really did the trick. It really, really cleaned it up and it was super easy. Okay, just a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more, y'all. And then we will reveal what we've done here. And I didn't care if it was perfect on here or completely solid, but I pretty much have it solid on here. All right. Ready for me to, sorry, it said I had low connection. Ready for me to reveal? Let's reveal this. All right. Voila. And there it is, y'all. I'm gonna put this stencil on the backing piece real quick. And I can never tell which side that means, but we're gonna go with the one I just threw it on. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna do what I did last night and I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna show y'all up close and personal exactly what it looks like. So hang tight. I've got chalk paste on my fingers. Hang tight. So here it is, y'all. It's all the way across the top. Like just, I don't know, like it was stamped. What do you think? It's like it was stamped. So I don't know, I just wanted to show y'all. Don't forget the little bag, I'm sorry, it's backwards for me. The bag for sprinkling. And I appreciate y'all. I am gonna finish watching this sunset and yeah, I wish you were here. I wish you were here. We're gonna have to have an event and we're gonna have to have it at my place. I would be super excited to have y'all here. Thank you, Rosie. Hey, Gracie. Hey, Judy. Donna, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm gonna flip it around and show y'all the sunset before we go. Again, so this is the navy chairs that I'm matching. There's navy on my pool furniture. It's kind of messed up. And then over here with my light and all the things and all the patterns and everything is the pool chest. That matches, and when you look up close, you can see it's gonna match. So there's the dog, there's the sunset. So if you look out this way, you see country. Oh, Janie, it's freezing at your house. It's not freezing yet here. Y'all, we have horses. It's not my horses, it's the neighbor's horses. Sometimes they... So, sorry about that. I had a call. But yeah, so this is the back of my yard. The back of my yard. And then you've got the pool again. So, it says low connection. So I'm going to let y'all go, but I appreciate you and thank y'all for sprinkling. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.